Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair error, "Sorry, you have been blocked to access Discord." Chapter 1. How to fix error. "Sorry, you have been blocked to access Discord updating Windows." To start, press Start and select Settings. Here, go to the Windows Update section. You can check if there are updates available for the system that help fix this error. Chapter 2. How to fix error. "Sorry, you have been blocked to access Discord disabling extensions." To begin, in the browser, click on the menu and under Extensions, click on Manage Extensions. You can click on the switch for the extension that is causing the error in Discord to disable it. Chapter 3. How to fix error. "Sorry, you have been blocked to access Discord updating Chrome." For this method, open Chrome, click on the menu, and select Help to click on About Google Chrome. As you can see, updates for the browser will be checked. If they exist, they will be downloaded and installed. Chapter 4. How to fix error. "Sorry, you have been blocked to access Discord adjusting Firewall." To start, enter Firewall in the search box. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. In the window, click on the network you work on. After this, deactivate the Microsoft Defender firewall switch. You must click Yes to authorize this step. Chapter 5. How to fix error. "Sorry, you have been blocked to access Discord deleting history." To begin, click on the Chrome menu and select Settings. Here you are going to go to Privacy and Security, and then select the option to clear browsing data. After that, you can define the time range to delete and leave the boxes selected. After that, click on Clear Data. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.